Okay, so we can start our chapter. Today's topic, that is chapter 7, which is of geography, natural vegetation and wildlife. So this is our topic for today. We are going to discuss this chapter. Yesterday I gave homework. On Monday I gave homework. You need to make a chart of division of natural vegetation. Some of the students were asking how to do that. So if you go to your book, or you will go to the previous video which I explained, in that you can understand. Once more I am explaining the division of natural vegetation for you. So, natural vegetation is divided into three parts. This is divided into three parts. Forest, then you have grasslands, and you have shrubs. So these are the three divisions of natural vegetation. After that, forest is further subdivided into 6 parts. That is tropical evergreen, tropical deciduous, temperate evergreen, temperate deciduous, then you have Mediterranean forest, and then you have coniferous forest. So this is the subdivision of forest. First, natural vegetation is divided into 3 parts: forest, grassland, shrubs, and then forest is subdivided into 6 parts, that is tropical evergreen, tropical deciduous, temperate evergreen, temperate deciduous, Mediterranean forest, and then you have coniferous forest. Okay. Now grassland is also subdivided into 2 parts. So in this you have temperate grasslands, and then you have tropical grasslands. So forest is divided into 6 subparts and grassland is divided into 2 subparts, subdivisions: temperate grassland and tropical grassland. Then you have shrubs. Shrubs are also divided into 2 parts. So that is deserted vegetation, and you have tundra vegetation. So this is the chart I am talking about in the homework. You need to mention the division of, you need to explain the division of natural vegetation. So I think you are clear with the topic now, and if you have any question Chat. Okay, Ahana is asking, ma'am, this is a chart. Yes, this is the division. If you see, this is the chart which I was talking about. Understood? This is the division of natural vegetation, and this you need to make. This is what I was talking about. Anyone else? Any question? I hope you all understood this one. So I will go further with the topic. Any other question from the homework? Which definition? Aditya is asking where I can get its definition. Which definition, Aditya? I am not clear with your question. So you need to ask the question properly. What definition you are asking? I don't know. I only asked to make the chart of the division of natural vegetation. This is what I asked. Okay. So everyone is clear with the natural vegetation. What is natural vegetation? What is difference between natural vegetation and human-made vegetation, right? Also, the types of natural vegetation, the division of natural vegetation, that is also explained. I have not asked to write definition. I only asked make a chart with the division of natural vegetation. I haven't asked you to define or anything because I haven't explained that till now. Okay, in the previous video, I explained about forest, grassland and shrubs. What is forest? What is grasslands? And what is shrub? That I explained in the previous video. Now here we will start with the topic forest. Okay. So forest is the first topic which we will explain today. Okay. So here forest means an extensive land area covered with trees. Okay, covered mostly with the trees. Also, the forests are found in the area which has heavy rainfall. It grows in the area which has heavy rainfalls. Okay. So, forests are the extensive land areas. That means huge land areas which are covered with trees. This is almost covered with trees. Okay. So, this is forest. Now, this forest grows in the area which has heavy rainfall. So, it grows in the area which has heavy rainfall. Okay. So, those are called forests. जो पेड़ जो होते हैं जिनके पत्ते झड़ते हैं, ओके, those are called deciduous, the trees which shed their leaves. So if you see an evergreen matlab, what is the meaning of evergreen? Which remains green throughout the year, जो हमेशा हरे भरे रहते हैं, that is evergreen. और जिनके पत्ते झड़ते हैं, that is deciduous. Okay, so first we will discuss about tropical evergreen forest. So with the name only you can understand evergreen means they remain green throughout the year. Okay. Now okay. So the tropical evergreen forest they grows near the equator or and close to the tropics. Do you know what is tropics? Do you know what is the tropic, anyone? We have already written in the geography. This is the earth and this is equator. This middle line is the equator. These are the imaginary lines. Now here you have Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Okay? So these are the tropical areas. Understood? So these trees, tropical evergreen forest, they grow near the equator and close to the tropics. That is these areas. Understood? So they grow near the equator and close to the tropics. Now mainly they are found in Amazon basin, Zaire basin, Vietnam, Indonesia, etc. So these are the areas where these forests are mainly found. So you need to keep in mind that they grow near to the equator and close to the tropical areas, tropic areas. Okay. So they mainly grow here. Okay. Now they are mainly found in the Amazon basin, Zaire basin, Vietnam, Indonesia. So these are some of the places where tropical evergreen forests are found. Okay. Now next is we will discuss the characteristics. Characteristics means features, qualities, features. Okay. So when we talk about the qualities, so this is also called tropical rainforests. These forests are also called tropical the soil is there, it will absorb water and the ground will remain waterlogged. Understood? Now next is so the tropical evergreen forests are also called tropical rainforest because they get the heavy rain throughout the year, and because of that heavy rain, the ground remain waterlogged throughout the year. Now, if you see, the forest requires hot climate and abundant rainfall, which is already there. Okay, hot climate and abundant rainfall. Okay, so if you see, you have read in the geography that this area, is the hottest place on the earth, right? You have already read that equator is the hottest place on the earth. Okay, so because of that, they have hot climate and they have abundant rainfall, and because of that rainfall, the ground is waterlogged every time. Okay, now the trees are tall and they remain green throughout the year, which I already explained, right? Evergreen, the name itself has that quality, evergreen. It remains green throughout the year. With the name only you can understand, right? The trees are tall and they remain green throughout the year. Now there are thick canopies. Do you know what is the meaning of canopies? There are thick canopies by which it is very difficult to enter the forest. Canopy means that when the trees grow and like it is very dense. When the forest is very dense, so you will see there is canopies on the upper side. That means they join together and it becomes very dark. The sunlight doesn't come. They don't allow the sunlight to come. So that is canopy. Like it is like a terrace. Okay, एक छत की तरह बन जाता है पूरे trees की वजह से. That is canopy. Okay, so the thick canopies are there, and because of the thick canopies, it is very difficult to enter these forests. Because what happens? Sunlight doesn't come, so it remains dark. Okay. Now, in Brazil, tropical evergreen forests are called selvas. They are called selvas, and they are the selva means the selva is termed as, why it is called selvas? Because it is termed as lungs of the earth. Okay, so selvas are often termed as lungs of the earth, and in Brazil these forests are called selvas. Now, can anyone think and answer that why this forest, tropical evergreen forest, is called lungs of the earth? Why it is called lungs of the earth? Can anyone answer this question? Okay, Ahana has asked a question. What is the meaning of abundant? Abundant means प्रचुर मात्रा में. Understood? जो बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में हो हमारे पास. Understood? That is abundant. Any other question, if it is there, you can ask in the chat, and I can clear the doubt here only. Okay. So can anyone think and answer why these forests are called lungs of the earth? Can anyone answer? Okay. I think no one wants to answer till now. So I can explain that. What is the work of the lungs? What does lungs do? You breathe through the lungs, right? And what does trees do with us? Okay, Ahana is asking abundant. Abundant means जो चीज प्रचुर मात्रा में हो, भरपूर मात्रा में हो, that is abundant. जो बहुत ज्यादा मात्रा में हो, that is abundant. Okay. So I was explaining why it is called lungs of the earth. Okay. So if you see what our lungs do, we breathe through our lungs, right? So what human do? They breathe oxygen and they release carbon dioxide. Now what trees do? They breathe carbon dioxide and they release oxygen. And like this, what they do? They keep a balance on the earth, right? We release carbon dioxide and that carbon dioxide is taken by the trees. I'm just erasing this one so that I can explain. So, humans, they release carbon dioxide and they take oxygen, right? Now what plants do? Now plants take this carbon dioxide and they release this oxygen. And like this what happens? There is a balance on the earth, balance on in the atmosphere, right? There is balance in the atmosphere of the earth. Now, these dense forest, there are many trees, a lot of trees, abundant trees are there. Okay. Now, what they do, whatever we are releasing, whatever carbon dioxide we are releasing, they are inhaling that and they are making the atmosphere balanced, right? This work they are doing on a large amount, and that is why they are called lungs of the earth. Okay, these forests are very dense, a lot of trees are there, and they are actually keeping balance in the atmosphere of the earth. Also, they are making the atmosphere clean. Okay, and that is why they are called lungs of the earth. Understood? And in Brazil they are called shelvas. You need to keep this word in the mind, shelvas. Okay, and shelvas is often termed as lungs of the earth. So I hope you all understood this evergreen, tropical evergreen forest. Now, if you have any question regarding this topic, please ask. So, anyone having any doubt about whatever I taught now about tropical evergreen forest, please ask. You can ask through chat. So, till now we are not having any questions, I think. No one asked till now. So, what I explained till now that evergreen forests, they remain evergreen throughout the year. They need hot climate. They grow near to the equator and tropic areas. Just a minute. They grow near to the equator and tropic areas. They need hot climate which they get because equators are the hottest place on the earth. Also, they get abundant rainfall, and because of that they are called tropical rainforest. Okay, and because of the abundant rain, the ground remains waterlogged every time. Now, the trees which grow there are tall and they remain green throughout the year. Also, thick canopies are there, and because of that, it is very difficult to enter the forest. Okay, so it is very dense forest. Now, in Brazil, they are called shelvas, which often mean lungs of the earth. Now they are called lungs of the earth because they actually keep balance by absorbing carbon dioxide. They keep balance in the atmosphere, which is done on the large amount. Also, they keep the atmosphere clean. So these are the features, characteristics of the tropical evergreen forest. Okay. Now see, what are the vegetation? Vegetation means the trees, the plants which grow there. We'll talk about them. So, the vegetation of tropical evergreen forest. Till now we discussed about the features, characteristics. Now we will discuss about vegetation. So, in vegetation, hardwood trees are grown. Hardwood trees means the trees having hardwood. Okay, so that is hardwood trees. So in that you have ebony, mahogany, rosewood. So these are the hard trees which is found in this forest. Now, what is the wildlife which we find here? So, in wildlife, we have ants. In that forest, you will find ants, snakes, lizards, monkeys, crocodiles, elephants, pythons. These are the main animals which are found in the tropical evergreen forest. So in vegetation, hardwood trees are there, which is ebony, mahogany, rosewood. This kind of trees which has hardwood. They are found, and in wildlife you will find cats, snakes, lizards, monkeys, crocodiles, elephants, pythons. Okay, Ahana has asked why tropical forests grow near equator? Because they need hot climate and abundant rainfall. So these qualities they will get near equator and in tropics. Because if you go to polar regions or the circles, Arctic and Antarctic circles, when you will go toward that, the areas are very cold. In that area, evergreen forest cannot grow. They need hot climate and abundant rainfall to grow, which they get near equator and in tropics. Now, I think Ahana, you would have understood why these forests grow near equator. They grow near equator because they need hot climate and abundant rainfall, and they will not get hot climate when they will go far from the equator. So that is the reason they grow near the equator or in the tropics, because these areas are having hot climate. Any other question? If you Yes, so Hana has understood this topic. Now, any other question if you have about tropical evergreen forest, please ask. So you need to keep in mind where they grow. They grow near the equator and the tropics. They need hot weather, hot climate, and abundant rainfall. And because of that, the ground remains waterlogged throughout the year. The trees are tall and evergreen, that means green throughout the year. Then the vegetation is hardwood trees like ebony, mahogany, rosewood. These trees are found in this forest. The forest is very dense. It is having thick canopies and which makes very difficult to enter the forest. The animals which you will find ants, snakes, lizards, monkeys, elephants, pythons, crocodiles. So these are the animals which you will find in these areas. Okay. So till now I haven't got any question from the students. So I think you all are clear with the topic.